Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. I am going to solve question number 1 of 1. 1. Your first question is 12 divided by 3 by 4. And this will be 12 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 12 multiplied by 4 by 3, and 12 is cut by 3 4 times, and therefore 4 4 is 16. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7. 5 divided by 3 integer 4 by 7, and therefore 5 divided by 7 3 are 21 and 4 25. 25 by 7, and this equal to 5 multiplied by 7 by 25, and 25 is cut by 5 times, and your answer is 7 by 5. In mixed fraction, one integer 2 by 5. This is the answer of question number 6. Now remaining question of question number 1 are for you. Now question number 2. Question number 2. 1. In this question, you have to find the reciprocal of the given fraction, and then you have to classify in proper fraction or improper fraction or whole number. And therefore, your first question is 3 by 7. First, we find reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is equal to 7 by 3, and it is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction, since numerator is more than denominator. It is an improper fraction, as we see that numerator is more than denominator. And now question number 6. Question number 6 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8, and therefore reciprocal of 1 by 8. Of 1 by 8 is equal to 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means 8, and it is whole number. 8 is a whole number. Now we come to question number 3. 1. You have to find the value. Question number 1 is 7 by 3 divided 2, and this will be equal to 7 by 3 into 1 by 2, and therefore this equal to 7 by 6, and 7 by 6 in mixed fraction, one integer 1 by 6. Now question number 6 of question number 3. 6 is 4 integer 3 by 7 divided by 7, and this equal to 7 4 are 28 are 3 31 by 7 divided by 7, and this equal to 31 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 7, and this is equal to 31 by 49. Now we come to question number 4, and question number 4 1 is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, and this equal to 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 1, and this equal to 4 by 5. And 8th question number 8 of question number 4. This equal to 2 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 1 by 5. This equal to 5 2 are 10 1 11 by 5 divided by 5 1 are 5 1 6 by 5, and this equal to 11 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 6. 5 and 5 is cut, and therefore this equal to 11 by 6, and in mixed fraction this will be one integer 5 by 6. This is your answer. Now, good. Starting before exercise 2.5, you have to keep something in mind like this: 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, and this equal to 100 centimeter, and this is also equal to 1000 millimeter. It means 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter or 100 centimeter or 1000 millimeter. Now 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. Or 100 decameter or 1000 meter. Now we start exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Which is greater? In this question you have to show which decimal number is greater than first or last. In question number 1, 0.5 or 0.05. In first we see that after decimal is 5, and in second after decimal is 0. Therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. And question number 5, 2.03 or 2.30. In first we see that after decimal there is 0, and in second after decimal is 3. Therefore 2.30 is larger than 2.03. It means therefore 2.30 is more than 2.03. Now question number 2. In question number 2, express as a rupees using decimal. You have to express in rupees. For example, your first question is 7 paise. And we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore, to convert 7 paise in rupee, we divide 7 by 100. This is rupee. And this equal to 0.07 rupee. And 2. Second number, 7 rupee and 7 paise. 7 rupees and 7 paise. This equal to 7 rupees and 7 paise means 7 by 100. This is 7 integer 7 by 100 rupees. And this equal to 7.07 rupees. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 235 paise. 235 paise. This equal to 235 by 100 rupees. And this equal to 2.35 rupees. This is the answer of question number 5th of question number 2. Now question number 3. I am going to solve question number 2 of question number 3. Question number 2 is express 35 millimeter. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, in meter and kilometer. 35 millimeter is equal to 35 by 10 centimeter, and this equal to 3.5 centimeter. 35 millimeter is equal to 35 by 100 meter, 1000, 35 by 1000 meter, and this will be 0.035 meter, and in kilometer 35 millimeter is equal to 35 by 1 and 60, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will be equal to 0.00035 kilometer, and this is the answer of question number 2 of 3. Now come to question 4.1. You have to change in kilogram, express in kilogram. Therefore 200 gram is equal to 200 by 1000 kilogram, and this equal to 0.2 kilogram. And second is 4 kilogram and 8 gram, and this equal to 4 integer 8 by 1000, since 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, is equal, this equal to 4.008 kilogram. Question number 5. In question number 5, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. You have to write in expanded form. And question number 1 of 5 is 20.03, and this equal to 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. This is the answer of question number 1. And now question number 4 of question number 5. 4. 200.03. This equal to 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. And this is the question number 4. Now come to question number 6. In question number 6, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. You have to write the place value of 2 in each of the questions. Your first question is 2.56. Place value of 2 in 2.56. 2.56 is equal to 2 ones. 2 ones means 2. This is the answer. Now question number, this is 6.1, and question number 4. 9.42. Place value of 2 in a 9.42 is equal to 200th is equal to 0.02. Now question number 7. In question number 7, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? Therefore, AB equal to give distance AB is equal to 7.5 kilometer, BC is equal to 12.7 kilometer, AD equal to 9.3 kilometer, and CD is equal to 11.8 kilometer. Distance traveled by Dinesh. Therefore, distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC, and this equal to 7.5 plus 12.7, and this equal to 20.2 kilometer. 20.2 kilometer. Now distance traveled by Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub. Ayub is equal to 20 AD plus CD, and this equal to 9.3 plus 11.8, and this equal to 21.1 kilometer. Therefore, Ayub traveled more distance. Therefore, Ayub traveled more distance by 21.1 minus 20.2 kilometer, and this equal to 0.9 kilometer, and this equal to 900 meter. Now question number 8. Syama bought apples. It means in question number 8, Syama bought apples and mangoes, and Sarla bought oranges and banana. Who bought more fruits? Therefore, first we write Syama bought apples. Bought apples is equal to 5.300 kg, and mangoes is equal to 3.250 kg. 3.250 kg. Syama bought total fruits. Therefore, Syama bought total fruits. This equal to 5.300 kg, 3.250 kg, and this equal to 0, 5325 and 538, 8.550 kg. Sarla bought oranges. Oranges equal to 4.800 kg, and bananas, and she bought bananas is equal to 4.150 kg. Therefore, Sarla bought total fruits. Therefore, Sarla bought total fruits is equal to 4.800 kg, and 4.150 kg. This equal to 8.950 kg, and therefore Sarla bought more fruits. Therefore Sarla bought more fruits. And this is your last question of this exercise, and remaining question of this exercise is homework for you. Okay.